So I am now clocking to 80-something years.
80-something years.
I have no person to help me for this blacksmith.
Nobody to help you.
I'm only struggling in order to get my daily bread.
Hi.
And, in order to get money to train my children. I'm helping farmers.
Hi.
I'm just produce only farmers tools and traditional use.
Hi. Nam. I seen it. It's happening live. See this thing. See the person producing this thing locally. Oh. He produced this thing like dozens of it. They will take it to market. These are this man is feeding his family, taking them to university abroad. I seen it, but many of us we left this thing because of we are not hard working. We left from being producers to consumers. You see, this man can never be frustrated or go and beg money because of money to feed family.
This is Avail.
Avail.
Avail, this one.
Avail.
Avail.
Avail. Wow.
The use of it when you carry iron, put on this big hammer.
Yes.
And the heat.
Wow.
In order to reduce the heaviness of the iron.
Wow.
This is blacksmith forging.
Blacksmith forging. They call it blacksmith forging.
This is tongue.
What?
This is bellow.
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 Wow.
This is tuera.
Tuero.
Tuera.
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 This tuera is where the smoke pass. The air. Okay, yes, the air to generate, yes, to force the light.
This is stera.
Okay.
Stera.
Stera.
That's the blacksmith to control
The charcoal.
the charcoal on the
fire, yes.
on the blacksmith forge.
On the black, yes, okay.
And this is a big hammer, small hammer,
Wow.
stone.
Okay, all these hammers, they are for the heating. That is heating of the
Heating of the iron.
the iron to construct something.
This is the punch.
Punch. You see, these people are creative.
And educative.
Oh.
I have some one of them calling cutter.
Cutter. Okay, they
Which we
use
use to cut iron.
the name is already there. Cutter. It works like name. See, please share this video. Let our government see this video. Let them support these people.
Our former governor, if I want,
Yes.
a native of Osoka.
Yes. If I'm going, the former governor, yes.
I heard that he bought some tools and offered it to
Upper hands.
upper people at Enugu and
Okay,
other places.
Ifeanyi, our former governor, brought some tools for blacksmith.
But when it didn't reach us.
It didn't reach you.
It
Hi.
didn't reach us.
So you have been struggling on your own.
On your own. Being creative.
No government support.
That is my work.
Hi. Oh, are you seeing it? There is nothing like government support.
Support.
No government they are not supporting this. Okay, imagine if government support this kind of creativity. What would it be like? Like these people, they by now they would have been producing many things. So far iron is concerned, they can produce many items. This country would have been a better place. So my people, please, let me tell my fans more. So please share this video. Share this video. Let this video get this 80-something years and see the kind of work this man is doing, and he's 80-something years and very strong like this. Imagine. Very strong, oh, and this is what this man have been using for survival all his life. He used it in training all his children in education. So people, please share this video. This is the only thing you can support this man. I'm still in my village. I'll be showing you around.
Oh, my name, the other hand.
Yes.
I'm a native of the Umugwekum.
A native of Umugwekum.
In Lebo, Umabo.
Okay.
Autonomous community.
Okay.
In Osoka, Enugu State.
Yes.
So my name is Ozoko Boniface Umoja.
Ozoko Boniface Umoja from Umugu, Ekomu, Ebo Autonomous Community, Ehalumona, in Usuka local government, Enugu.
I have trade tests.
Yeah, you seen it?
Grade 1 and 2, I suffered it. During it was, I think, 2005, I think 2005, Nebo, somebody Nebo,
Yes.
Vice Chancellor of the University of Nigeria.
Yes.
What am I to call it? I wrote an application under him, and I could not get any work.
You see it? You see it? See, this man is oh God, he's very educated. At that time, he went to school. So my people, support these people,
We
please.
have nobody on government who can help us.
Hi, they can help, but the problem is information. Please share and follow this page. Mr. Ogeze Comedy, Ben Comedy Entertainment. Share this video. Share. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, please. We have seen it. We've seen it. You see what people are passing through here. Please share this video. This is the only way you can help this man. Share. Let our government, let people that will help them see the video. Please. Yes.
That is the vice chancellor by then.
Under Chinedu Nebo.
Nebo, we tried to get work and we could not get any.
And you now they do it. As you are pumping this fire, the iron is hitting. The iron will be hitting. You see it? This thing now is pumping the force. It's forcing the air. Yes.
It makes iron to be soft.
Okay.
When you put iron, it becomes red.
Yes.
After opening it is red, you bring it. Take a big hammer.
And
Take the
iron, yes.
Tongue and then carry the iron, hit it with the small hammer or big hammer on the avail.
Yes. You see it? See this thing? He's the one that produced this thing. Huh? Yes. You see it? He said he can defend himself. Yes.
One of the lecturers during that era.
Wow.
So all these things.
Thanks for watching, my people. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this. Follow us on Facebook. Our YouTube channel is Mr. Ogeze Comedy. Our Facebook username is Ben Comedy Entertainment. But if you still search Mr. Ogeze Comedy, they will show you Ben Comedy Entertainment. Thanks for watching.